So if you want to make your favorite Spotify song to be your Facebook story post, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now I have here a song that I have just opened and I'd like to share it or to make it my Facebook story. There are two ways you can share it. First, you can come to the share button here or option here and tap on it. And from this, you'll be able to choose any platform that you so wish to share. Alternatively, if you come to these three dots on top here, you'll also have the option to choose share. From here, go ahead and look for Facebook stories. And we have Facebook post and then stories. So I'll go ahead and choose stories. And this will take me direct to Facebook and it will begin to process. To share it, just tap on share. And then it will be shared to your Facebook story. Now, if I go back to Facebook, you can see the song has been shared as my Facebook story. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.